Hi, Tom Lydon here in Hollywood, Florida at the Inside ETF conference. I'm here with Jonathan de St. Paer, who's president of Charles Schwab Investment Management. Great seeing you, Jonathan.
Thanks for having me here, Tom.
Another great conference, another great year. You're moving into a very important role at Charles Schwab. As you communicate with advisors, what are some of the most important things they're looking for and that you're looking to provide in 2019?
Well, I think you're right. 2018 was a fantastic year for CSIM, and 2019 we're off to a fantastic start as well. We saw great growth last year, and we're really seeing really strong growth already coming in through January, even as we've seen increased market volatility. So when I see that, what I see is we have a really sound strategy, and I know with certainty we have a fantastic team. So I feel really strongly around the things that we have within the firm that are working exceedingly well. Our strategy of doing a limited number of things and doing them really well, the team we have doing it. What I really think about kind of going forward and the opportunities for us are navigating the world, because the next 3 years will look very different from the last 3 years.
Yeah.
Whether that's market volatility, competition, the role of technology, the world's changing so quickly.
Right.
We're working really diligently to make sure that we stay up with all of those evolutions.
Well, we know that RIAs are very much concerned about fees. More and more of RIAs, the number one vehicle they use are ETFs.
Absolutely.
You provide this no transaction fee platform, which is outstanding, along with the fact that Charles Schwab is one of the top 5 ETF issuers out there.
That's right.
Where you've got a great cross-section, great suite, low fees. So you've done a lot to commit to the ETF space, and I know as an advisor myself, we appreciate it.
Well, you're welcome, and thank you for your support. I mean, as you mentioned, we are the 5th largest manager of ETFs. But what I like about that is we're punching above our weight. In 2018, we were 3rd in flows in the entire industry. And then we're really keeping that momentum as you go into 2019. And really excited to be able to serve advisors and give them that transparency and the low cost that they're looking for.
Absolutely. Jonathan, great seeing you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Tom.